Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cra'Deja if you've never been here before. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I work with a lace that is darker than your client. As you can see, I already have it braided down. I already have my cap, got my color on and everything. I'm getting ready to put my bolt hole active on my client. Now here's a rule of thumb that I like to use when I'm doing my installs with the lace that's darker than my client. When it comes to the ball cap method, I go ahead and use the actual color of my client. As you can see at the top of her head, it blends perfectly. It's the perfect color. Everything looks good. It looks great. Now when it comes down to a dark lace, you can sometimes perfect it, sometimes you can't. Honestly, it depends on how light or dark your client is. For me, I only have a little bit of makeup that is like lighter than her, so I wasn't able to get it perfect, but I told her that I can use what I have. She was really informed about what kind of lace to get, so yeah, this is our first go around. Right now I'm just putting the wig on her head. I have applied a makeup shade that is about 2 shades lighter than she is. She's a lighter complexion, and the makeup that I currently have, I use Ruby Kisses level 9 for the wig. I got for the wig color, and that was still a little bit too like dark, so it didn't blend perfectly, but I mean it blended well enough, and that was honestly the best that I can do with what I have. So I'm going to show you guys a close-up pretty soon, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Here we are. It looks good, but it's not perfect, and I'm just explaining that to her right now. So yeah, that's pretty much what I do. You guys can continue to watch to see my technique and I mean how I install my lace videos. I do have a lot more coming soon. I'm just trying to get in my groove, trying to get better at this before I just share pretty much anything. So yeah, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and yeah, keep on watching. Another thing, if you guys want to see how I lay baby hairs, or like if you have anything that you want me to go more in detail about, please let me know down below in the comment section. You guys also follow my Instagram, follow my personal page and my hair page. My personal page is at Cra'Deja, and then my hair page is at Hair by Cra'Deja. Don't forget to follow me. You guys can DM me. You can tell me like, hey, can you upload this video? Can you upload that video? Sometimes I get a little bit nervous